Is it true that ignoring a woman will really increase her attraction? But how exactly can you ignore her without pushing her away? The paradox of absence, using distance to build attraction. Is it true that ignoring a woman will really increase her attraction? Yes, it is absolutely true. When used correctly, ignoring or creating distance acts as a powerful psychological tool to trigger curiosity and reconnection. According to the framework, absence is most noticeable when emotions are strong. If you are always available, you become predictable, and predictability is the death of desire. By pulling back, you create a contrast that forces her to feel your absence, which often causes her to wonder about your emotional state and, consequently, increases her interest. How to ignore her without pushing her away? Step-by-step guide. To avoid accidentally pushing her away or appearing cold or indifferent, you must move from connection to distance using a strategic approach rather than a blunt one. Step 1. Identify the high point. Do not ignore her when things are already fading or cold. That's just being unavailable. Instead, wait for a moment of high engagement, when she is laughing, replying quickly, and showing interest. This is the perfect time to create a gap. Step 2. Apply the strategic pullback. Instead of disappearing completely, use the strategic pullback method. You do this by delaying your reply slightly so you aren't instantly available, ending the conversation while the mood is still positive and high energy, and focusing on your own activities, making it clear that while you enjoy her, you have a life outside of the interaction. Step 3. Transition into soft red light if needed. If you notice her effort is dropping or things feel too routine, move into the soft red light phase. This involves a slight reduction in your availability, reduce the frequency of your initiations, reply slightly slower than usual, and focus more on your own personal growth and hobbies. Step 4. Monitor her genuine effort. Watch how she responds to your distance. If she shows genuine effort, such as saying, "I miss talking to you," or "Can we talk?" do not keep ignoring her indefinitely. You must respond warmly and return to a state of connection so she knows the way back to you. The biggest mistake, the coldness trap. The biggest mistake is failing to distinguish between mystery, which is a strategic pullback, and indifference, which is a hard red light or blackout. If you ignore her even when she is showing genuine effort, or if you ignore her so hard that you refuse to acknowledge any way she tries to reconnect, you aren't being mysterious. You are being emotionally unavailable. This pushes her into a hard red light phase, where she actively pulls away because she feels your lack of interest, which can lead to a permanent breakup or the blackout phase. Masterclass advice for emotional control. Personal advice: never let your ability to pull back be a reaction to her. Let it be a tool you use to maintain your own emotional stability. If you only pull back because you feel insecure, she will sense it. If you pull back because you are actually busy living your life, she will sense your high value. A simple rule to remember: pull back enough to create curiosity, but stay close enough to provide security. The key truth: predictability kills attraction. If she always knows exactly when you will text and how you will react, the chase ends. The golden rule: always pull back when emotions are at their highest point. This ensures that your absence feels like a choice, not a lack of interest. The simple formula: high engagement plus strategic pullback equals increased curiosity. Thank you for using the Ultimate Edition of Love Map. Make sure to like and subscribe to our Love Map YouTube channel so you will know what the latest update on this powerful AI model.